Hello and welcome to Always Audria. I'm your host Audria, and today we are going to see what this little craft kit from the Dollar Tree is all about. I think it was $1.50. So let's see. Sorry, I'm getting my drink here. Hope you're all doing well. Okay, so it's from Dollar Tree. It's a 6-piece craft kit and the fall theme seasonal collection. Oh. Okay, so let's open it up. And this is my painting table, so it has paint on it. Does it have an age on it? Okay, not for children under 3 years. Alright, so this will be a fun and expensive way to have some fun with your kids, I'm thinking. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we got several of these. What? Why are there so many of these? Okay, so let's see, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. What are you supposed to do? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. So you do get 6 of each. They're just like cardstock paper. That's really weird. What do you, huh? What's this about? What is this? Okay, so let's try to recreate this scene here. I guess if you have 6 kids or 6 people that want to do a fall craft project, this would be the way to go. But I'm not sure exactly what's going on. What is this about? Okay, so I'm going to try to recreate this scene here. So let's put that up here where I can see it. I guess you could do it any way that you want. So these do pop out. This is actually a little bit weirder than I thought it was going to be. Are these stickers? So to speak, they're all like cardstock. What is going on? Hold on, I gotta get this out of here. No, that is not a sticker. What the heck? Okay. So I guess you gotta glue this stuff down? Okay, let's pretend I have glue. Okay, hold on. Let me go get some glue. Hold on. Okay, so this is really weird. There's no instructions. There's no anything telling you what else you're going to need. Okay. They're not stickers. So you try, it just starts coming apart. So it's not a sticker. Wouldn't it have been weird if I never came back and just let the video stay here forever? Ugh, okay. I guess a glue stick would work on this too. So far, this is pretty strange. Okay. So we're still gonna carry on. Let's get some of these out of here. Okay. Alright. There's that. Thank you for joining me on this weird adventure. You know, maybe this will help you decide if it's something that you want to actually get into. But do note, there's 6 kits in here, so to speak, and you will need glue of some sort. Okay, I'm still having a hard time believing these aren't stickers, but they are not. So have your glue or glue stick ready. I got my Dollar Tree glue here. Alright. Leave in the comments if you've done this before, if you've had these kits before, and if this is the experience that you've had. I mean, what would you even do with this after it's all glued down? I mean, would you put some kind of hole in it and hang it, like a puncture a hole there and hang it? Oh, okay. So here's the next one. Maybe you'll get a little bit of ASMR out of it, as far as watching the video. I am working on a rather big project for my channel, so make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe so you can watch it. I need to tell you how big this is. Let's see, here's my ruler. So the circle is 8 inches. Okay, so there's that one. Let's put this little hedgehog on next. I don't think this is going to be a very long video. I thought it was going to be longer. Alrighty, so the little hedgehog in the picture anyway goes about here. Alrighty, and then they have this raccoon floating in the air. Oh, so they got this raccoon up here. I probably should have put this down further, but it was gonna, oh, they do have it overlapping in the picture. It is coming off of there. I thought that might, like, cause it to, like, catch on things and tear off. So I try to get it on the whole circle, completely on the circle. Okay, so we got the floating raccoon. Alright, it's going to be a little different than what's in the picture. Okay, now the pictures are adorable. I will say that. And these, today is, well, let's see, the week, what is today? July 26, 2026. So that's when I found, well, I found these in the store a couple days ago. And they had other varieties, other pictures. Okay, so we're going to put this guy down a little bit further. Okay. All right, I guess kids might get a bigger kick out of this than an adult, maybe, I don't know. But we're doing it. It's Sunday afternoon, why not? Sundays are for thankfulness and relaxation and recouping. Okay, we're going to have to start veering off the picture here because I'm running out of room. I don't know how they got all this stuff on here. What am I going to do with this once it is done? What do I have left? There's quite a bit left. Okay. So let's put this leaf over here. And, what is this? This is like a tree with fall colors on it. Okay. And they got it around this area here. Getting a little top heavy here on my design. Okay, so we have 3 designs left. Pumpkin leaf and a mushroom. Go ahead ahead and poke all those out. I've been feeling pretty bad the last couple days. I don't know if it's allergies or a cold or what. But I did take some Zyrtec today, and that seems to be helping more than anything, so it must be allergies. So my throat is a little wonky, so my voice is a little wonky. What do we have here? Okay, let's see. This is my pieces I have left. I think I'm going to put the pumpkin there. The mushroom here. I don't know what's going on. Maybe the mushroom there. And maybe I won't have this leaf at all, tell you the truth. Does that look okay? No. Let's put the leaf over here. And the mushroom. Okay. Let's put some things on the bottom here. Okay. I want to thank you for joining me on this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, notification bell, especially with my big project coming up. You're going to want to see that. Where'd my leaf go? Oh, I dropped it on the other ones and I couldn't find it. Hype the video. What does hyping the video do? I don't even know. But it's an option. Okay. Wait a minute. Oh, I haven't glued that down yet. I'm trying to push it down. Actually, I don't like this. I'm going to leave that off. So let's put this down here. And then we have the mushroom left. I think I'll put it like right there. Yeah. So personally, this wouldn't be something that I would get again. Let's see. I'm just not sure what to do with it afterwards. When I'm finished with it, what am I gonna do? Oh, you could punch a hole in it and hang it from something. Okay. All right, so there's that. And I have a feeling that all of these are going to come off eventually. This is not something that's going to last years and years and years in a memory box, unless you laminated it or something like that. I'll put some clear packing tape on it. See, it's already doesn't want to stay down. Yeah, so there you go. The weird little Dollar Tree craft project, seasonal collection craft kits. You do get 6 of these. So if you're having some kind of like party for kids, get a, depending on how many kids you have, of course, but you do get 6 of these in a pack for $1.50. I would suggest, if that was the case, you would get some glue sticks, which they do also carry at Dollar Tree. Yeah, this is not something that I would get again, but like I said, for a kid's party or a rainy day afternoon or something like that, it might be fun to do for kids. Adults, not so much. And it is a little, what would you call it? Low-key, not very crafty, just gluing pictures on a circle. Not very, I don't know. But I want to thank you for putting up with me with my sick day here. Make sure you hit that notification bell so I have my big project coming up. I'm still working on it. It's going to take a while to finish it, but I am going to put it on YouTube. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.